Meaning actually, long time. Man Jaga Gilawa Julie and Jacqueline Kang of God. We haven't been posting like in expect something D Saturday. Um, what is it? September 13th. D. We hope to have some good guests. Please tune in D. Maybe sometime by 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Nangwati Gidano on the line, and we will post some new episodes. Log mo kena bate kwaro gila ba chuli wala kono history ba jo clan mo mi actually kama gi agi ye kino gi pogo kere gi kom lo wala gi pogo kere gi kom jo chuli mo kena ne kama gi saro ya. Um, that's really important because po one ni one year beneko kiro clan. Mi actually ni kid magi a kere kidi actually kuja migration to nige kari kan. Be that to all look about low migration. Akino gigi look me gina. Pajak, more specifically, kidma wabino kere gigine. Mga kal wabino kere de pajak no pajak lo pajak. Man wati ayinya jumomi clan mapat pate. Wiki wajid wagi agi kat. Hanya clan to a dung ri choli kuya yala dogo de pajak bene sub clan dogo dung. One word miro ni wabiri ka look me clan wang yala sub clan wang ben miro ngedo kola nekini agi chako po kungini ni yala kira tradition ngogin wati pat pat kira sub clan wami da hachok ben bange ni ti when you put it for the first time in the past few weeks ni sub clan wati de hachok yala lungone bidi. I would like to know more about that. Yala mom parmi obo waja ni obo ko yadukala na gingiti pat pat. I think ma parmi ejola jo mo kono long gening on it. There's a lot mamirangi body. And I'm sure there's a lot more actually more getting ko jo magi dongo iwi lobo ma pat pat mira pori gi explore kid ma wapo ga gini kede yala kid ma kon what were come together making a being a community achel da actually yala gi ponyo lotini to mi doka development no one ngeo ko mo gini the community achel lakin bene mi ngeo gini client to her, sub client to avoid any kind of challenges con wala ka dana dogang chaka lo minyom lo tini chiraka yinyo kono partner to minyom working e dogola ne wang to avoid kono nyomo homeru la meru it's important session mo what we have about nyom part like in kumchani what here yinyo data from different clans or different sub clans we're working at Dogo na gini wang wa discuss dano poga ni yala tradition do gi poga do ni kiro kana kono log to gi mo mi kono cham ge wale miel wale ritual wale spirituality to kono gimoti mati a differ between Dogola wale pe one room lep part mana no ngewa pien ngamo jene actually para no binya chala actually mi obo ma para mi obo so actually para ruwe mer mi pa jogi obo lakini anu ngangeo ko la para ne unya ni ning bodan mo kone gaere ni ngene what we discuss it's fun to just look about it ginene bene something ma one way what we learn from each other so that one day ki ichir bi lugu ma pat inu ngatu ne mo iwinyo kin magi loki ngare no agi pajok ngare agi obo wala mun wang joto wala ngongo it were jolo joto committee but anyway stay tuned digi what do you guys more digi to look more about plan wala sub plan more ne and then maybe other look me take one ma puri ba wati report so stay tuned stay tuned and then show na digi and Jack Minikang Pot, La Mera Boa, she's not on the line today, but she will be on the line tomorrow. kawati mo gina tone episode mo. Apoya, you stay tuned. Make sure to gina one. Wulu bwane Facebook, Chaka Global Choli, wulu bwane gina YouTube, Chaka Global Choli gina. We share and we'll try to send private message comments. We'll join. Okay? Thank you. Bye.